This week, Supreme is doing a collaboration with everyone's favorite candy treats, Skittles. That's right, Supreme's about to bust the rainbow all over you.
Oh, hell no!
Taste the rainbow? I mean, okay. If he busts the rainbow on you, you're damn sure gonna taste it, no?
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we're going to take a look at Supreme's Week 14, or at least what we can see of the drops so far.
Who are you?
So far, we have count them, three different collaborations, one of which is a very wacky one indeed. First off, let's talk about these Skittles collaboration pieces. That is right, we are going to get a bunch of items that are Skittles related.
Can't get much better than this.
Skittles and Supreme are going to give us 8, that is right, 8 different items. I know you're asking yourself, why do we have so many Skittles items? And the answer is, I have no idea. But we are definitely getting them, and these are the items we are getting. A Supreme Skittles cycling jersey, a Supreme Skittles balaclava, a Supreme Skittles Polar Tech pant, a Supreme Skittles Polar Tech jacket, some Supreme Skittles cycling gloves, Supreme Skittles Mitchell & Ness varsity jacket, a Supreme Skittles New Era beanie, and of course, Supreme Skittles. Yeah, just regular Skittles, except for instead of it saying Skittles, it says Supreme.
I am the one!
You know, somebody gets paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to think this stuff up. I'm not joking. I really don't think I need to tell you guys that the Skittles collaboration is not where it's at. The best clothing piece of the collaboration, in my opinion, is the Mitchell & Ness jacket. But honestly, I really don't see anybody wearing this stuff, and I don't see it being that desirable. If you really had to have a Skittles piece or a Skittles item, maybe the beanie is kind of fun. But obviously, the number one item of the Skittles collaboration is going to be Skittles, for sure. Just having the bag of Skittles that says Supreme on it.
Oh, God!
If any of the items have resell, it'll be those, and it'll be a quick sell item. It's not going to be something that appreciates because the candy will go bad. Unless you're just some kind of crazy Skittles fanatic, then I think you do need these. If you're, like, insane about Skittles and you need all the Skittles merch, this is some Skittles stuff that you need to have in your collection. If you're not an extreme Skittles fan, this is probably a pass for you, and for most everyone else. Damn! Now on to the next collaboration, we are getting some shoes. That's right, but not the ones you want, because here's some VANS that they're gonna give us. That's right, here you go. We have 2 different types of VANS. Check these out. First off, we have the VANS half cabs. It looks like they're going to have 4 different colors, all of which you should probably pass on. And then if you had to buy some VANS, I would probably be going after these old school VANS. Still, not the best looking shoes that I've ever seen, but definitely much better than the half cabs, at least in my opinion. Now, are these going to flip? Should you buy these for resale? No, you shouldn't. I don't really see VANS doing it that well. They'd have to be really, really cool, really, really wearable. One of them looks like a watermelon, the other one is pink, and then the other one is blue. They really just do have a lot going on, but of the bunch, I would say maybe the watermelon one is probably the best looking one as far as just how the colors go together. That being said, I still don't see a lot of resell in these. I mean, that's just my personal opinion. I do know these will sell out instantly, so if you want some of these, you're probably going to have to grab them pretty quickly. They should be a pretty decent price point as well, so again, I know they'll sell out. If you want them, grab them for personal. I wouldn't be buying these for flipping or anything like that.
Okay.
And then finally, we're getting another lookbook collaboration piece, the JBL L100 Classic Speakers. I believe that these are very expensive speakers, like in the $2,000 range without Supreme slapped on the side. Obviously, somebody just painted these white and put a box logo sticker on the side. Again, someone gets paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to think this stuff up. Still not joking. But anyways, yeah, these are going to be very expensive. At the end of the day, I don't see a ton of resale in these either, even if they were somewhat affordable. I just don't see a ton of people needing these specific Supreme speakers. So again, if I'm wrong and they're not that expensive, then yeah, go for it. But hopefully we see some retails in the next day or so, and I can do like a full top 5 video before Friday. This week they are releasing on Friday instead of Thursday because it's Thanksgiving.
Surprise, motherfucker.
So just remember that. Friday, not Thursday this week. And that's all that we have for this week. So yeah, basically 3 collaborations. We have the JBL speakers, we have the Vans, and then we also have the Skittles stuff that, you know, I mean, somebody had to make some Skittles collaboration stuff, so why the hell not Supreme, huh?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Alright guys, don't forget, I am really close to my 500 subscribers, so that means 500 subscriber giveaway. Basically, it's a mystery box worth about $200 worth of hype beastie resell-y type of things. Yes, that's super specific, but it's about $200 worth of stuff that you could sell, or keep. I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. So if you want a chance to win a box full of $200 worth of stuff, all you're gonna have to do is subscribe down below, and then pay attention, because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to make a video that tells you what I'm going to need you to do. Spoiler alert, it's going to be comment on the 500 subscriber video. So definitely get subscribed and pay attention for that.
That's pretty good.
When we get some retails, I will do a proper top 5 video, and maybe, just maybe if you're lucky, and if you really want one, I can do a Turkey Day live stream, give my final thoughts and overview of everything that is going to be releasing.
I don't care.
Obviously, at best, this is like half of the list, so I'm sure there's going to be some other cool items releasing. I don't know what the future holds. We'll have to leave that for the next video. So that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next video.
Forever lawyer gonna come with them bands if I ever get in a jam. From trapping hard to rapping hard, make everyone know who I am.